Black studies really helps with the transformation of the general intellectual enterprise, right? It's a challenge to this idea of a value-free social science. It's a challenge to this intellectual enterprise that was built around the presumed inferiority of Black people and Blackness. So it does that by studying, by creating a discipline, by studying the Black experience. It transforms this intellectual enterprise and opens up the space. It transforms the way we produce knowledge about Black peoples when we have knowledge that's coming directly from the experiences of Black people, as opposed to knowledge that's created about Black people based on presumed biases, right? So it shows the relationship between knowledge and power, because if we produce knowledge based on particular experiences as opposed to biased ideas, it transforms the way we do knowledge. It empowers. It's the significance of Black studies that it also is an empowerment of Black communities and Black peoples. And ultimately, it is about the transformation of society by allowing the space to create communities, but to not just to appreciate Black communities, to appreciate Black intellectual production, to appreciate Black social and cultural production. And by doing so, we transform society.